how to find who view my videos on Instagram. In today's video guys, I will show you step by step on how to find or how to see who watch your Instagram videos. To do that, now after you open up your Instagram app like this, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. Now I want to see, as can see now, I want to see who watch all this video. As can see now, I want to see all the people that watch this video. So tap on this back arrow. After you open your profile like this, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you come to this menu, scroll to down and go to this account type and tools. So in this account type and tools, now go and tap on this switch to professional. So you must switch to professional before you see this option on Instagram. Tap on this continue again, and in this section select one of them. It doesn't matter, so I'll just go with this blogger and tap on this done button. So after you choose select one of them, tap on this creator or business and tap on this next button. So tap on this not now, tap on this cancel button at the top left side. So it will take you to your profile. Now refresh your profile. So as you can see now here it says professional dashboard. So I turn my Instagram account to professional. So to see now who view my Instagram videos, now tap on this, open the video. After you open the video like this, now all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the top right side. After you tap on the three dots now at the top right side, tap but scroll to down and go to this view insight. After you open this view insight, all you have to do now, in this section Instagram will show you the number of the people that view the video. As you can see now, likes, comment, share and save, both save. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, you'll be able to see more information about the video. As you can see now, likes, as you can see now, profile. So you can be able to see, as you can see now, initial players and all this. For now, Instagram doesn't allow you to see the number or to see the profile of the people that actually view the video, but you can be able to see the number of the people, but you can't see their profile on Instagram. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.